side lang. Let's go to Laguna. And ang plano ko talagang puntahan is bandang Caliraya, but I don't think aabot ako because time check, it's 3:06 already. So maybe we won't be able to reach Caliraya, but we will try, no? Try natin ma-reach yung Caliraya. Although kanina sa Google Maps tinignan ko, halos 4 hours yung travel natin to Caliraya, which means that 7 o'clock